rise and shine. It's about 5:30 in the morning. 5:58, my bad. We're at the gym. We're gonna get a quick workout and just, you know, begin the day. I didn't sleep last night. Just got goals on my mind, shit like that. Been kinda, I don't want to say slacking with 75 hard because it's just a fucking hard challenge, especially when I'm uploading to YouTube every day, editing every day. Kind of been wearing myself a little thin, so there's no time to think about it. I'm just shooting off the hip, random content. Let's go, let's get it. Let me change my shoes. But yeah, so my toe has like a blister on it. So we're gonna grab a workout on no sleep, and then I don't know if I'm feeling up to skating on my toe. Unless I skate these SBs, these Blazers might be comfortable enough to skate, but I don't want to ruin them because I like them, and Blazers are expensive. Anyway, gym time, boom. Let's get it. You know, let me get a full water. Oh, almost forgot my headphones. Got my phone. Let's do it.
Clyde, bitches, Clyde, barrel, baby. This ain't the, what? That ain't the, this ain't the part where I quit. I'ma go harder with it. Call me a four in the ski. That's how you spike that bitch. This how you double up your loot. This how you level up your shit. I was up all night mapping plays out. I ain't closed my eyelids, not once. She wanna fuck cause I'm stacking that cash up to the roof. She call me almighty but my name ain't Bruce. I laugh to the bank but I ain't amused. Ain't nothing changed but my stacks. Still got your main bitch on the back. I keep it real till I lay flat. We turning the gauge up to the max. I can't turn back. I cannot fall.
Alright, now I got the blow pump in a little.
I want it all, bitch. I can't turn back. No, it ain't no turning back. It ain't no turning back. It ain't no turning back. Run it up, run it up, run it up. Do it till I can't no more. No wonder why the jam so raw. Cause I put it overtime with my hands to the bone. Going psycho, switch up the flow like a cyclone. Tapping your hole like a typo. I ain't mean to hit it, called Geico. Bitch, shut up, just give me lipo. Riding the Tyco, high like the Eiffel. Lemon haze in the backwood, that's Ponso. The hoe show me love, cause I'm fresh with some Dove and some Lysol. Just caught me a timepiece, the bezel look like an eclipse. Pull out your Nikons, I'm a young icon. Blowing up the scene like a pipe bomb, bitch. I can't turn back, I cannot fall. I want it all, I want it all, bitch. I can't turn back, no. There ain't no turning back. It ain't no turning back. It ain't no turning back. Run it up, run it up, run it up. Yeah. This last one for the haters. It's only one time I'ma say this. I'm cashing out now, not later. Little bitch wanna fuck on a skater. In high school I had to persuade her. Now I wanna hit, all I gotta do is save. She coming over and we ain't doing labels. We just get it poppin'. She know she only an option. Like a checkup at a doctor. She hold her tongue out while I'm in her tonsils. I'm like, yeah, flip your girl, just call me Eric Austin. Yeah. Watch how I lean into my grind, dust and darling. Or coping with this while I'm stalling on them. Stacy Peralta, I slalom on them. Young Jay Adams, bitch, I'm sliding on him. I'm about to go Johnny Tsunami on him. I guess wavy, 94 baby. In love with this paper, don't got no old lady. I'm crazy about Bonnie, she won't give me babies. Don't fuck with this barrel gang till I'm like 84. Got some riding, yeah. And bitch, I ain't signing. I'm rapping the clubhouse for life, so it get demolished. I need me more comments on comments.
Okay, so gym finished. I basically just got a good pump. I didn't work out as hard as I could work out, but it's because I didn't sleep last night and I want to save some energy for the skate park. I might go home and eat breakfast, but then again, that might make me just drowsy, so not sure if that's a good idea. All right, I'll see you at the house or at the skate park. What's on my lens? All right, see you guys later. Okay, so disclaimer, I don't recommend skating on no sleep. With that being said, what I'm doing right now is looking up tips to front board, you know, bump to flat, because I know I could do it, but on no sleep, I really don't want any errors happening. I know how my body is, and I've gotten hurt lately enough times to realize that it takes a lot out of my body after I get hurt. Number one, you want to be rested so your motor skills are even working properly. But if I was to be, you know, 20 minutes from the house and get hurt right now, it would just be a bad day at the very minimum. So So we're gonna look that up, get a few tips. Honestly, this trick is probably why I'll go to the skate park today, or right now, instead of getting sleep or just editing other clips that I have, because I want to get good at this specific trick on this specific type of obstacle. A pretty long one too, not just like, you know, a pussy one. This one specifically is like 6 feet long, and if I get that, it'll probably, you know, get the adrenaline going, get me juiced enough to, you know, have all my other tricks locked in, because that's how it works. You get juiced and you start landing your other shit locked in first try, your confidence goes up. And right now, especially off no sleep, I need that. I mean, I'm getting pretty good at front boards, but I would, you know, a long one I'd just hate to fuck up on. All right, let me find a video. But all right, so I found a video. It's not a trick tip video, but this guy's process looks basically, I'll show you guys. This guy's process looks basically what I imagine mine is going to look like. Knowing in my head I can do it, but it's gonna be scary and it's gonna be hard to commit. And that's exactly what this guy's going through. And then, as you see, as soon as he realizes commitment is key, and as soon as you watch. So from the beginning, he doesn't even want to commit to it. The first one he jumps on, he slides basically the whole thing.
There we go.
Had he been committed, he would have landed it. And this next one, he's just like, boom, I can do it. He's out of that zone. He knows he's got it. Boom. I might title this video improving front boards, or front boarding bump to flat, or I might just, you know, hit the park and even focus on front boards for the day. So I'm not gonna think too hard about it. I'm probably gonna eat breakfast real quick, but I'm getting tired of talking and I'm already tired, so let me stop yapping and let's get to it. Alright, so this is as close to a warm-up as I'm getting. I'm gonna hit this a couple times, I'm gonna go for it. 2 cell phones, I've been working, never been fucked out of check, I'm a virgin. Bitches that I've been curving, washing dirty money in detergent. Nobody don't wait on nobody, don't wait on me. That would have been bad on the other rail. Fuck! So, this far, what's hard to get used to is that angle. Making sure I pop my tail, leveling it out, and being ready, you know? If it was this long, but that high, probably be easier, because I wouldn't be afraid of coming down and sticking, but what am I worried about, right?
Nice.
All right, that one wasn't too bad. I'm gonna do a few more, try and get 3 in a row. If I get 3 in a row, I'll move on. Ugly, but that's one. Yeah, so I landed a few. This isn't the rail I came to actually front board. I wanted to do the flat rail over there, or the bump to bar over there. But I'll take what I can get for the day. I didn't sleep last night, so feeling like it's starting to get a little unsafe. I might eat shit, so I'm gonna move on to something else. Probably gonna front board the down rail and some other shit, but yeah. So I'm gonna move the camera around. I was gonna go get pool noodles and cut them and zip tie them to all these fucking, that one at least, cause I fucking smashed my shit on.
What was that, bro? No fucking way. Hey.
See, like, that's why my skating boggles me.